Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. In today's video, we're testing 3 different brake wheel hub cleaning tools. Each one of these has some differences, but for the most part, they look pretty similar. And so we're going to go ahead and show you what their reviews are online, and then go ahead and give you guys our final thoughts on which one cleans the best, and you'll get to see that happening live. The first one is this 3-piece Titan, and this thing has a 74% 5-star out of 169 ratings with a 4.5 total. This right here is the TEOFix with a 66% 5-star out of 91 ratings for a 4.3 out of 5 overall. And over here on the right is a OEM tools, and this thing is 56% at 743 ratings, a 4 out of 5. And so you can see this one definitely has the most ratings by a lot.
The OEM makes you use a drill while the other two can use a 1/2-inch impact gun, which is kind of nice since you've already taken off lug nuts.
So let's go ahead and look at the number of pads. Your Titan only comes with 2 pads, and it comes with a socket. Your TEO right here comes with 3 pads. And then it comes with a 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. So that right there comes with a little bit more availability with that 1/4 inch. And then over here with 1, 2, 3, 4 different pads, it does look like these two have Velcro that hold them in, and this more snaps into a socket. And so those are some differences as well. This thing does pop out and pop in pretty easily and does lock in place, so then you can remove it. Again, these ones are the Velcro. Same thing as this one. Let's go ahead and open up the Titan. That is a really nice thick socket, and it does have a ring in the middle, which as you push this over, it will lock into place, and that will hold it into place. So then you're going to have to use a little bit of oomph to get it out, but that just snaps into place. Let's go ahead and do the OEM one. And this one is Velcro as well. So just snaps right into place there. I will say the quality control on this is not super great. Look, it's not even. So that right there is going to get a little bit of slack from me, that your main one is not even completely on there right. Not good. Let's actually check the other ones out as well. Yeah, that's not centered very well. That one's centered okay, and that one's centered okay. So 2 of them are off center. I don't know how well that's going to show up on camera, but it's a little higher on this side and definitely a little lower on that side. And this one is by far the worst. You're off a couple millimeters, and you can definitely see it on that. So that kind of sucks, but we're going to use the one that came on it. So push that back down in, and hopefully it works well. One thing I forgot to mention at the beginning is this one was $19.99, this one was $18.79, and the middle one was $16.99 at the time of making this video. Prices obviously go up and down, but I did want to let you know what I paid for this, not sponsored at all. Let's go ahead and test these things out. We're going to look for the best cleaning and the easiest to use, and then the overall best. First one we're going to use is the Titan. And I'm going to try to keep it to where we can see what each one of them does. So you're going to put this right over the stud. So that's 10 Mississippi. That actually looks pretty good right there. We're going to do this side as well. There you go, 10 more seconds. That looks pretty dang good. So that was the Titan again. We're going to move to the other one that uses the 1/2-inch drive,
Which is the TEOFix.
Let's go ahead and do this one right here. So the TEOFix looks pretty decent. I still think the Titan is a little better. We'll do this side right here. Okay, looks pretty good right there. Again, that's that TEOFix. And then because this is the only way it comes, I have to be able to use kind of a weaker drill. And so it's got to be able to give me kind of the same results. Let's go ahead and hit up this one. This is that OEM tool. Kind of feel like I broke it on there. First use ever. That's kind of strange. Okay, so there you have it. We have the Titan right here. That's this one, and this part right here that's flat. We have the TEOFix, which is this stud and that flat. And then we have the OEM tools. I don't know how well you're able to see it, but from my view at least, first place, second place, third place. That was not, it was totally random on the order I did it, but definitely the Titan, the TEOFix, then the OEM. We're going to go ahead and continue to do the rest of the four hubs, and then I'll let you know what I kind of think on each one of them and how well or didn't well each one of these rank. So I have spent significant time using all three of these. So we have the Titan, the TEOFix, and the OEM tools. And here are my final thoughts. I think for the best clean overall, it was the Titan in first place, the TEOFix in second, and the OEM in third. And then the best overall usage is actually in the exact same order. First, the Titan. I just love that this thing is so solid and fits easily into an impact drill. This one I was impressed that you do get a couple of options, but I still think that one is a easier use because it really sticks in there and it does take a bit to get out. I'm afraid that over time, this Velcro is going to get cheap and just not work as well. And this just was not very easy to use. I had to get a whole different drill when I'm already using impacts to loosen lug nuts and things like that. That is definitely the way to go, either one of those. So my overall easy of use, assembly, clean, cost effectiveness, I am still going with Titan. I did not put this in a specific order when I was doing this. Titan definitely wins. This one was $18.79 when I bought it on Amazon. Then second place would definitely be the TEOFix, and that was $16.99. So you'll save a couple bucks if you go with this one. And actually the most expensive and definitely the worst was the OEM tools. I actually was really shocked because I have a number of OEM tools and I actually really like them. Something just as cheap about this, even the production of it, like I mentioned a couple of times, it's not even centered. And it just didn't clean well. And it was throwing chunks off right away, which I would expect after I've cleaned a wheel or two, that you would start seeing chunks fly off, but the hub didn't really get cleaned. So not a huge fan of the OEM. So if you have to pick between these two, I'm definitely going with a Titan. I also noticed online they do make a refill kit for this. I believe it's 5 refills. That right there might really just be the way to go, even though the TO is a little cheaper. I'm guessing if you don't have an impact, if you don't have a 1/2 inch impact, and you only have a 1/4 inch, maybe this would be better for you, but not for the tools that I have. I'm going with the Titan all day. I hope this was helpful. This is my honest review. Again, nobody sponsored me on this. Make sure to give me a comment, a like, and a subscribe. Appreciate you sticking around through this long of the video, and I got more things like this coming in the future. So you're going to want to be subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day.